Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from wallet to exchange in Binance. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to your Binance wallet. So you can access it from the Binance Web3. And then from here, once you're already in your wallet page, you can find your assets right here at the top. And then if you can find it, it might take you to your home right here. So when you actually come from the exchange wallet, so for example, we are coming from the exchange wallet, and then you click on wallet at the top right there, and it takes you to the Binance wallet. It's going to take you from the home page. So how do you get to your assets? What you're going to do is you're just going to click on your assets right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then from there, you're just going to click on send. Now, once you click on send, it's going to give you two options. You can either transfer to Binance Exchange or you can send to a wallet address. So for this one, we are going to click on transfer to Binance Exchange. And then after that, you're going to select your token. So what's going to appear here is the tokens that you already have in your assets or what you already have in your account. So for this one, I only have USDT. So I'm just going to click on that. And then after that, you're going to select or enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So you can just click on max right here if you want to exchange or to put it all in your exchange account. And then you're just going to click on continue. Also, your exchange account address is already right here, so you don't have to do anything about that, and you're just going to have to click on continue. And then after that, you're going to be asked to pay for the Solana network fee. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have enough Solana before you can transfer your money from your wallet in Binance to your exchange wallet. Now, once you have made sure that you have enough Solana, you're just going to click on confirm, and then the transaction will be processed. And that's it. That is how you're going to transfer from wallet to exchange in Binance.